Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my Hobonichi calendar and a gorgeous Christmas kit. It is a 3-page Hobonichi weekly kit, and it is from DEK Designs. So I'm going to plan, and then I'm going to share a little bit of what's going on today. So I'm going to post this later today, but I just wanted to remind you guys that today is Hump Day. It is Wednesday Hump Day. It is a day that you can go, and if you order $22 or more, then you get a little something with your order. And it is a gorgeous 7-page kit. And it is the color, I believe it's the Pantone color of the year. It is a gorgeous purple. So if you would love to have anything like that, follow the links below. Please list KRIS in the comment section, and they will send you an extra beautiful foiled sheet. And the kit you receive is just gorgeous. If you want to know more what it looks like, go look over on my Instagram. You can see it there, or just better yet, go to dekdesigns.com and you can order one. Or you can look at it, decide if you want to order and get one for free. So it really is. I don't know how to pay for it. I would love to have like 3 of those. One of the things I had wanted to do for Christmas this year was do an album for my parents, but I just ran out of steam, guys. There has been just so much going on this year, but I do have everything set up and I'm ready to go. Now I have to find it that I've moved it, but we've been moving everything out to my craft cottage. I have almost everything out that's going to go out there. Now, from what I understand right now, the last little bit that went out, I can't walk in. So my daughter tends to just stack things, which is totally great because I told her, I said, I don't care. Just get it there if you can. So it helped me get the house done, and I appreciate that. So I will have a little project at the turn of the year because I'm not going to get out there before. I'm telling you right now, I do not have the ability to get there. I know. So, and I'm okay with that. Sometimes oops, I just dropped my pen. Sometimes you just need to recognize what you can do, what you can't do, and that's what I can't do right now. I'm okay with that. All right, so I guess I could have scooted that over a little bit. Let me see. No, I'm not going to pull it back up. All right, I may put something there, and there's always good stuff to put in here. All right, so now let me go with these next. So I absolutely love my DK, and I love my DEK stickers, and I love my Hobonichi, and I'm so thankful that Dawn shared with me a Hobonichi. I have genuinely loved this journey. It is the one repeat order for next year. I've been a classic happy planner for a long time, and I don't even think I have one for next year. I will continue using the garden journal that I've been using that is Happy Planner, but after that, no, I did not order anything else, which this is the first time in I don't know when that I haven't had a Happy Planner. So, hey, it's all good, right? But anyway, so I am very thankful and super happy that, I found something that really has worked for me. I love the size. I love the compactness. With my dad, hold on, guys, where'd I put my scissors? Oh, there they are. With my dad having been a CPA, and wrote tiny. I don't write tiny, but I think it just reminds me of him somehow. And, because I remember all of his secretaries and people who worked for him, they'd be like, I do not know how your dad writes that small and very uniformly. So, and he did. So anyways, but I think this just reminds me so much of my dad. He loved writing. He did not like using the computers in his accounting work. And so anyways, it's just all very sweet. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for the top part, and let me see. I want to make sure I get the music correctly. So, which I think I have it correctly. Nope, that one needs to be turned. So I'll go with this one first, I think. I don't know. I am so tired, guys. To see anything right now, it's a blessing. Have you ever been that tired? Oh my goodness gracious. Um, I really hope that means that I'm going to sleep really hard tonight, which I don't tend to, but I would really love to, Lord willing. So, anyways, but when you take on a project and you work really hard, what a blessing it is to feel like you accomplished something. And that's how I feel. I feel like I've accomplished quite a bit this week and this month. And it's a long time coming, but it's not always when you get there. It's, it's how you get there. And I feel very fortunate to have gotten there, so to speak. So to have some level of gotten it there already. So I know that for some that's not where they're at, but it is for me. And I find joy in that. It's been a weird many years. And so, yeah. And I love that Dawn took the high-low off of that. So that will be on my, over here. So anyways, but how many of you have, been working on projects and it takes longer than you plan? And I love, of course, I love planning. I don't just love decorating a planner. I love the art of planning. But I am always too aggressive with my timetable. And what I found out here this last time is that I know all the realities of, I have bad knees, I have bad joints, I have this, that, and the other. But wow, this particular project, which is almost every room in the house, literally rang my bell. Rang my bell. Hold on one sec. My husband is calling. I'm going to ask him to text me. Okay. So, anyways, it just kind of cracks me up that, I think that, okay, yeah, I'm tired. I shouldn't be tired. Yes, I should be. I should be really tired. When I think of how my body is, functioning these days, I'm blessed if I can walk down the road, So anyways, I just crack myself up. Do you ever do that? Do you ever just, and I'm okay that it's going to come up here. I'm totally fine. These are for my, those are for my menus. And this will be for my, what am I trying to say? My snacks. So anyways, but it just cracks me up that I think that I'm above, regular wear and tear on a body, And I honestly think that the reason that my brain doesn't think that way is that I've always just kept moving. I just kept moving. I just kept moving. I just kept moving. It didn't matter. I just kept moving. I've walked around on broken bones. I mean, I have just kept moving. Okay, yeah, that's not smart. But anyways, okay. So I'm going to put my scripture for the week there, major things I need to get done, and then next week's to-dos. So because we are dealing with Christmas this weekend, next week to-dos, we'll see. All right, and I am going to put my my habit trackers, and right now I'm just really focused on, I don't have to worry about exercise right now, but I am focused on water, and that would be good. So let's see, menu and snacks, and is that my to-dos? Yeah, I think that's what it is. Sorry, guys. I'm telling you, I just said it, right? Okay. And then this is my water. And I have had my doctor, and I just water again. Okay, Vits. I'm really tired. My doctor I saw last week, and he got onto me and said, the reason you're tired is because. So, and he's a very sweet man, and I said, thank you. So I think I'm just gonna kind of put these all over. How's that? But evidently I have some levels that are off, and it's making me tired. So, I've been so worried trying to help my husband that I didn't take care of myself, and he, let me know. Let's just say it that way. He let me know, and I'm okay with that. I really, really am. So, and I appreciate it. Yeah. Hey, I mean it, right? Okay. No, I do appreciate it. He's a very sweet man, and I know he means well, so it's okay. All right, I think I'm going to just put that in the middle. My to-dos, you can tell this week I don't really have much left to do. I've pretty much done it all. I just coffee every day, you know, coffee every day. All right, and I'm doing my planning today, which is Wednesday. And I'll do some more videos tomorrow after I get all my stuff done for Christmas. I don't know how much baking I'm going to get done, but I'm going to try to get some stuff done. I'm hoping to have everything wrapped tomorrow. If I, by the grace of God, I could have everything wrapped tomorrow, this room's, swept down, mopped down, the last few things hauled off to the various places that may need to be put away, and my dining room chairs, which are office chairs, and it's a long story, but basically my husband has to power spray them. We're going to set them in the sun, and then I'm going to bring them in, and I bought all these gorgeous covers, and I pray they fit. Yeah, I am going to take that down because it's Christmas. Well, my daughter and son-in-law are coming, and then that is Christmas. Hold on, I did the wrong one. But long story short, I'm excited. I really am. I mean, we haven't had a dining room table. I was trying to tell my son and daughter-in-law that, and then they were ordering pizza. They didn't hear me, kind of thing. It's okay. I totally get it. They've been working, coming over here and getting all their stuff out of the storage, our different storages, the barns, and just different things. So, which has made my husband very happy. He's not 100%, but he's getting better. And so, all right, I'm going to put that down here for tomorrow. Yes, I am. And let me see. Now, let's decorate a little, and I'm going to let you go. So, and we make a birthday cake every year for Jesus. So, I am going to bake that cake on Friday. So, I'm going to put that there, and I have to bake two, one gluten-free, one gluten. So, because our son and daughter-in-law do not eat gluten, and yeah. Water plants, we need to harvest all of our plants. I don't think we have a heavy freeze coming, but I've got to send my daughter to go get that done because that's a big deal. I'm going to put that there for presents. I got to go get mail tomorrow, all that kind of good stuff. And kitchen, I'm going to get my daughter on kitchen, hopefully. Actually, I think I'm going to bump that. I think actually when I'm baking cake, when I'm baking the cake, I will have her come in and we can focus on the kitchen. It needs, when you clean one area, it seems like you're always dumping stuff in another area. You know what I mean? And I did do groceries up there. It's just silly. I don't know why we do that. And tomorrow's boba. I keep telling my daughter, we need boba tea. And she keeps saying, yeah, we do. So mommy's going to really ask for that. All right. We'll probably take pictures here. Our daughter and son-in-law and our two granddaughters are coming, Lord willing, and the creek don't rise. So, sleep in. I think we're going to be so exhausted by Christmas Day. I think we're going to sleep in. I'm going to get my tennis shoes on. I'm going to be getting all my exercise by just working in the house. And yes, and I will set my alarm for that day to have everything ready for them. Okay, and just so you know, my oldest granddaughter, was born right before COVID. And I was driving out and taking care of her for about 3 months. And then we got shut down 2.5 months, something like that. And long story short, so I'm going to put this over here because I need to get a bunch of stuff done in my bedroom. And we have tons of laundry, which I don't know if we're going to get it yet. But anyways, but she has never been in my home. So, our home. So, I'm super excited for her to come and see Mimi, Chris's, and Granddaddy's house. And yeah, I think it's going to be fun. And I think she is just going to be a blessing. Okay, I've got one more thing. Let me see. I love these little bow splitters. They are so stinking cute. Oh, goodness. Will it fit there? No, not quite. No, not really. Okay, let me see. What if I do something like that? And then, ooh, come on, silly me. Okay, and then I can put this over here. Maybe I'll put it over here. There we go. So remember to light the scented goodness. I have essential oil wax melters all over. So, okay, friends, I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Seriously, these kits are phenomenal. As I put this and post this up, today is, pardon me, Wednesday Hump Day. So, with every $22 purchase after discount, you can get one free kit. And it's a 7-page kit, foiled, gorgeous. It's sparkle foil. We all voted on it. You could vote on it too. Go to Facebook and sign up for DEK Planner Journey or Journey Planner. But just join the group, and you get to get all kinds of opportunities to vote and all that kind of good stuff. Also follow DEK or follow me on Instagram, and I'll be glad to share with you all the new things that are coming. So, all right, my friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. If you have stayed to the end, God love you. You are such a good friend to the channel, and I so appreciate you. You're really helping, and I wish you could see that right there. That is a little, it's big. It's a lighted RV. I know. My husband and I found that. I found that at Sam's probably 6 months ago. And so, anyways, he dug it out and brought it up. He goes, "Hey, look what I found." And I was like, I wondered where that was. I was just thinking about that. So, anyways, but the batteries were out, so I got to get some more batteries. Anyways, I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And tell me, are you ready for Christmas or not? It's 3 days till Christmas. So, all right, friends. Love you guys. Be safe. Talk to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.